Welcome to another TAM Studios. This is Becky and Marnie presenting. We're both technical account managers from ANZ. In this video, we're going to go over Google Text-to-Speech integration, how to install and configure it. If you are currently using Google Voices via Genesys Enhanced Text-to-Speech, and you want to continue using these voices after the deprecation in September 2025, then this video is for you. So, for those of you who are planning for the enhanced text-to-speech deprecation of Google and Azure Voices, the process for the Azure text-to-speech integration would be similar, but evidently not the same. In this video, we focus on the Google text-to-speech integration, which will allow you to use Google's long list of voices in Architect in the language text-to-speech dropdown. Marnie will show you this in a demo shortly. This integration isn't just for those preparing for the deprecation. You may be new to Genesys or considering moving away from recorded prompts to using text-to-speech voices to give you better flexibility to adjust your flows at short notice. The primary difference is that you'll be accessing these voices via Google or Azure integrations rather than the enhanced text-to-speech integration. I will now pass you on to Marnie for a walkthrough of this integration.
Thanks, Becky. To install, configure, and use Google Cloud TTS on Genesys, you will need to have a Google Cloud Platforms account and a Google Cloud project with Google Cloud Text-to-Speech API enabled. This installation integrates Google Cloud Text-to-Speech into Genesys Cloud using Google Cloud Platform Service Account. We do have a comprehensive Resource Center article on the integration with links that redirects you to Google Guides to help you complete Google's side of the configuration. Now, assuming you have a Google Cloud Platform account with a Google Cloud TTS API-enabled project, let's look at the configuration. Log into your Google Cloud Platform account. Ensure you have your project selected. Select Service Accounts from the left-hand pane. You can see I have already created myself a service account. I'll take you through the steps of creating a service account anyway. Click Create Service Account. Give it a name. You'll see your service account ID gets self-populated and an email address gets self-generated as well. Give it a description. Click Create and Continue. Permissions and principals with access are optional and are not required for this demo. Click Done. Click on the service account that you have just created. Navigate to Keys. Click Add Key and select Create New Key. Select JSON and click Create. You will now be given an option to download your JSON file. Select your file path and click Save. When you open your JSON file, you'll see the following information. The 4 key information that you'd want to copy from this JSON file are private key ID, private key, client email, and client ID. These are required later on in the configuration when you configure Genesys Cloud. Now, let's look at the Genesys Cloud configuration. On Genesys Cloud, navigate to Admin. Under Integrations, select Integration. Click Add Integrations on the top right-hand corner. Select App Foundry on the top right-hand corner. You'll be redirected to your App Foundry page. Ensure you're signed in. Search for Google Cloud Text-to-Speech and select Google Cloud Text-to-Speech tile. Click Configure. Notice you have an open link button, which will redirect you to our Resource Center article page that is going to assist you with configuring Google Cloud Text-to-Speech on Genesys Cloud. It is mandatory to click this link to proceed. Once done, click Next. Because I already have installed Google Cloud Text-to-Speech on my org, I receive a message saying your subscription already contains this application. Click Next. Click Next again. Click the install link provided to install Google Cloud Text-to-Speech on Genesys Cloud. Because I have got this integration installed, I will receive an error. However, if this is a new installation, you will land on your Google Cloud Text-to-Speech configuration page. Select the Configuration tab and navigate to Credentials. You will be asked for your client ID, client email, private key ID, and private key. Copy and paste this information from your JSON file that you downloaded earlier. Once done, click OK. Back to the Details tab. Turn on this integration by activating the toggle on the top right-hand corner. Once done, click Save. With the integration now completed, let's test this out. Navigate to Architect and configure a simple flow like what I have done over here. Enter some text for your greeting and for your prompts to play. Once done, navigate to supported languages. Ensure Google TTS is selected for your engine and you have selected a preferred voice. Once done, click Publish to publish the flow. Copy your flow name. Navigate back to your Genesys Cloud UI and select Calls, select Dial Pad and paste your flow name. Press Enter and click the dial button.
Hello, this is the initial greeting. We are testing Google text-to-speech integration.
You should have heard your flow greetings and prompt in the voice you had selected earlier in the flow. Once you're happy with the voice you have selected, navigate to Admin, Organization Settings. Under Settings, scroll to Telephony. Under Default TTS Engine, ensure you have Google TTS selected. And under Language Overrides, ensure you have got your correct language, engine, and voice selected. Once done, click Save. This should ensure that any new flow created would follow the default TTS settings if not specifically defined in the flow. Thank you for your time. Over to you, Becky.
Thank you, Marnie, for running through this. If there are any questions we can answer for you, please feel free to comment below or email us at tamstudios@genesys.com.